Are you looking to stop drinking alcohol? It's probably the best decision of your life. Here are some tips that might help you to stay sober. Set clear goals and determine why you want to stop drinking and what you hope to achieve by doing so. Having a clear understanding of your motivations can provide you with a strong sense of purpose. Reach out to your friends, family, or support groups who can provide encouragement and guidance throughout your journey. Develop coping mechanisms. Identify healthier alternatives to deal with stress, boredom, or any emotions that might have previously led you to drink. Engage in activities that you enjoy, such as exercise, hobbies, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Remove or avoid situations, places, or people that might tempt you to drink. Surround yourself with individuals who support your decision. Take care of your physical health. Engage in regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and ensure you get enough sleep. Meditation or breathing exercises can help you cope with stress and helps you to stay focused on your journey. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Reward yourself with non-alcoholic treats or activities that bring you joy. Remember, take it step by step and day by day. If you find yourself struggling, don't hesitate to seek professional help from an addiction specialist.